Hello again, my good people. So today, hopefully, I'm solving the software problem, the firmware problem with the CQ EMF 390 spectrum analyzer, RF, AM and EMF meter. Now I have installed revision 3.65. That's how I got this machine. In the meantime, the good people from GQ Electronics, by the way, really nice communication, and thank you very much, Mark. They sent me a few versions of firmware, which unfortunately doesn't fix the problem. In the meantime, I received some more, so we'll do the changings right now. So, in revision or firmware 3.65, like we see here, we have this glitch. If I'm trying to select RF on vertical mode, nothing happens. Same story. To get out of this, I have to put it back on EMF, and to get out of the menu. And same story with the table mode. If I want to have these statistics in RF, it's just getting stuck, you know, it's blocked in this, nothing happens. Let's say if I'm in this situation, there's nothing to do. If I'm turning off the machine, turn it back on again, it's just getting stuck on logo. It's not booting. Strange, but look there. And it starts. Amazing. Okay, somehow the RF spectrum, it's working great on this situation, but I wish to have vertical mode in RF mode to have a better understanding of the signals I'm receiving or sending. You know, I'm using this for building my own antennas. Nothing else to do but to try to push a new version. 3.75A version, let's call it. Let's push it on. So yeah, it's restarting, factory reset, and we are good to go. This is the 375 first version, and as you can see, the machine is working, and everything is so fine. This is a new 3.75 version sent by GQ specialists. And okay, let's go to vertical mode. Now we should be able to access the RF menu. And there we are. It's lovely. And by the way, let's do some experiments. You see, it's working great now. I have a lot of activity on 2.407, which is the Wi-Fi probably in between my phone or something. Anyway, let's, you know, this guy is not exactly a radio generator, but it can do some tricks. Look there, I got it, 800 megahertz, you see? That's my little device here. Let's have 881.5 megahertz. Oh, look there. It's perfect. Let me go to the table. I'm sending on 841.5. Okay, let me check table mode, please. And there we are. So here we have a list. Okay, you see this? 841 with minus 52. So now we have a list with all the frequency the machine can receive. Let's check this with with the alpha spectrum, and we go to 50 to 65, and we should see a 51. Shall we zoom in? Let's change this to 55 megahertz. We have a peak on 55.4, but it's not from my machine. Well, if we take it the other way, I'm most interested in this band because I'm doing some research and optimization for some antennas on 868 LoRa. And by the way, this is not a great antenna. This is for Wi-Fi, in fact, so it's not exactly working on 800. 868, we are there, close. Okay, 2.4 something. Let me push a frequency for Wi-Fi, 1455 megahertz. Nothing. Look here, 2501. Let's check the tables. Oh, look here, 2410. That's mine. Now I have 250099. Is this one? Yeah. What can I say? 900 megahertz. Let's see. Is it coming on? It should. 920. No, that's not mine. 932. Very weak signal, but why? Something wrong here with my antenna and adapter. 899 megahertz. Look there. Yeah, right. The takes power of this guy, it's very small, it's very tiny RF signal, so sometimes it can't compete with the strong RF environmental, but I may say we are good. And here we have revision. I can call it 3.752 because I've been trying another one before, not working. But like I said before, good communication with the technical stuff on GQ Electronics, and they successfully sent me a firmware to fix this machine, which now it's working as it should. It's in a great shape and it will help me a lot for my future project. Okay, so that's it, people. I really hope that it's useful. Don't forget subscribe to my channel, push like, and thank you to my sponsors. Thank you Radu, thank you Vlad and Czech. And you see, like always, don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.